there's a lot that goes on, and there's a lot that we can do to not only protect the environment, but to protect ourselves, really. And I think that is a lot of people don't realize.
We are also raising money to install the reusable water bottle attachments for the water fountains in the college. And we also want to raise awareness to not just the campus, but the community about what we're doing.
And we're always looking for new members, so if you're interested, talk to Professor Young, or you can find me. I'm Christina Chris, just new.